Welcome to Sunny Elevator. Today, we're excited to showcase our high-quality metal machine guide rails, an essential component designed to ensure the safety, stability, and smooth operation of your elevators. Our metal machine guide rails are crafted with precision engineering to provide perfect alignment and stability for elevator cars and counterweights. This precise alignment minimizes vibrations and prevents any unwanted lateral movement, delivering a smooth and quiet ride for passengers. Built from high-grade steel, Sunny Elevator guide rails are designed to withstand the toughest conditions. Their exceptional strength and durability make them ideal for high-rise buildings and high-speed elevators, ensuring reliable performance and long service life. The key to a comfortable elevator experience is in the guide rails. Our guide rails ensure the elevator car moves smoothly along its path, reducing noise and providing a stable, secure ride. This not only enhances passenger comfort but also significantly improves the overall safety of the elevator system. For stability, safety, and performance you can trust, choose Sunny Elevator metal machine guide rails. Discover how our precision-engineered guide rails can elevate your projects to new heights. Visit us at Sunny Elevator for more information.